Since the 90s, the internet has revolutionized the world. Web 1 was a one-way information highway. Web 2, the social web, introduced new platforms like MySpace, YouTube, and Facebook, driven by mobile, social, and cloud technologies. Web 2 is controlled by corporations that offer services in exchange for personal data. Web 3 will combine the decentralized ethos of Web 1 with the improved capabilities of Web 2, while boosting security, scalability, and privacy. By being verifiable, self-governing, and permissionless, Web 3 will transform the internet through a token economy. Users may also own creative material, governance rights, and more, through NFTs. Beyond these blockchain entities, Web 3 combines the best of Web 1 and 2, and gives people control over their data, identity, and destiny. To learn about Web 3, visit CertiK.com/resources.